Welcome to Ajisha's Tuition, where learning made easy.
In this channel, we are going to learn basic mathematics and physics. If you like our video lectures, give us like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos. Happy learning!
In this video, we are going to find an easy method for finding square of a number. We know that what is square of number? If a number is multiplied by itself, then that is called square of the number. That is, here x square be the square of the number x. For example, if you take 5 into 5, okay, if a number is multiplied by itself, that is 5 into 5, that is called square of number 5. The square of number is 25. Okay, if a number is multiplied by itself, that is called square of number. Now, if you know the value of square of the number from 1 to 9, we know that 1 square is 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9. If you know these values, then you can calculate square of any number, any 2-digit number square we can calculate easily. For example, 32 square. We want to calculate what is the 32 square. So here we know 2 square. 2 square is 4. First you have to take 2 square. 2 square is 4. Now the next step is you have to multiply these three numbers. That is 3. We have to take 3 into 2 into 2. This 3, 2 and 2. 3 into 2, 6. 6 into 2, 12. You have to write 2. And 1 is the carry. You can carry that 1. You can carry the 1. Now the next step, the last digit you have to take, that is 3. From that 3, you have to take, this is next step, this is the second step. Now the third step, you have to take this 3, again you have to take 3 square. 3 square is 9. Here 1 carry, so we can write 10. So the answer is 1024. In this way, we can calculate square of any 2-digit number. For calculating 53 square, first you have to take 3. 3 square is 9. After that 5, after that you have to find 5 into 3 into 2, 5 into 2, 10, 10 into 3, that is 30, 33 here you have to write, 0 here you write, 3 is carry, then 5 square is 25, 25 plus 3 you can write 23. So our answer is 2809. One more example you can see, here you can write 43 square. If you want to calculate 43 square, first you have to take 3 square. 3 square is 9. Now 4 into 3 is 12. Then 12 into 2 is 24. For 12 into 2, that is 24. Here you have to write 2. Here you have to carry, here you have to write 4. 2 carry. 4 square 16. 16 into 16 plus 2, 18. Example here, if you want to calculate 41 square. 41 square. 1 square is 1. 4 into 1, 4. 4 into 2, that is 8. Now 4 square is 16. So 1681. If you want to calculate 54 square. Now 4 square is 16. 6. 1 carry. Now 5 4s are 20. 20 into 2, 40. 40 plus 1, 41. 1. 4 carry. Now 5 square 25, 25 plus 4 29. So square of 54 square is 2916. Now there one more example, 63 square. 63 square, first you have to take 3 square. 3 square, that is 9. You have to write 3 square. First you have to take 3 square, that is 9. Now 6 into 3, 3 into 2. You have to find 6 into 3, 3 into 2. 6 into 3, that is 18. 18 into 2, that is 36. 8 2s are 6, 36. You can write 6 here, 3 remaining. Now 6 square, 36. 36 plus 3, 39. In this way, we can calculate. Now, if one number is end with 0, that is 20 square. You want to calculate what is 20 square. So for that, just you have here you want to calculate square of a number that end with 0. For that, first you have to take the number without 0. Number without 0, 2. So 2 square is 4. Now here there was 1 0. So in the square there must be 2 0. For example, one more example, if you want to take 30 square, first you have to calculate 3 square. What is 3 square? 9. Then here there was 1 0. In the square there must be 2 0. Now if you want to calculate 500 square, so first you have to take square of 5, that is 25. Then here in this number there was 2 0, so here you have to add 4 0. If you are taking square of a number that end with a 0, just you double the number of zeros. For example, here if you want to take 40 square, so we know that 4 square 16. Then here 1 0, so we have to add 2 0. In this way, we can calculate the square of a number that end with a 0 easily. For example, here if you want to calculate 500 square, so we know that 5 square is 25. Then 2 0 in the number, so in the square there must be 4 0. Okay, for example 5, instead of 3 0, we have to add 6 0. That is if the number ends with a 0. Now if a number that ends with a 5, for example, if you are taking 50, we know that is 15 into 15. Okay. Now, for finding square of this number, first you have to multiply 5 into 5. 5 into 5, we can write 25. After that, once tens place, that is one digit you have to take. You have to add, from this number you have to add 1. Then you have to multiply with this number. That is 1 plus 1, 2. 2 into 1, that is equal to 2. 225. First you have to multiply 5 and 5 you have to write. After that, from this number to this number you have to add 1. Then you have to multiply with this number. So we can write 225. One more example, if you want to calculate 25 square. 25 square means we can write 25 into 25. Otherwise directly you can get 25 into 25. So first you have to find out 5 into 5. Okay, 5 into 5. Okay, you have to multiply these two. 5 into 5, 25. Now from this 2 you have to add 1. 2 plus 1, 3. Then that 3 you have to multiply with the 2. That is 6. 625. Okay. Then one more example. If you want to calculate 55 square. So what we have to do? First 5 square. First 5 square you can write 5 square 25. Then from this 5 you have to add 1 plus 1, that is equal to 6. Then 6 into same number, 6 into 5, that is 6 5s are 30. So our answer is 3025. Now for calculating square of decimal number, first without decimal number you have to find the square. We 25 square. 25 square means first you have to take 5 square, that is 25. Then 2 plus 1, 3. 3 into 2, 6. 625. We can write 625. Now, in this number, after decimal point, 1 digit is there. So, in this case square, after decimal point, there must be 2 digits. The digit that you have to count from the right to left. That is from here. This is the first one and second one. So, here you have to write the dot. So, our answer is 6.25. Our answer is 6.25. So in this way, 0.1 square, 3.1 square. So first without decimal point you have to calculate square, that is 31 square. 31 square we know, 1 square 1, 3 into 2 3, 3 into 6, 3 square 9, 9 6 1. After decimal point there must be 1 digit. So in our answer, after decimal point there must be 2 digit. That digit that we have to count from the, in our question 3.1, after decimal there must be 1 digit. So in our answer, after decimal point there must be 2 digit. The digit that we have to count from this end, this is first digit, this is second digit. So after 9 we have to write the dot. So we can write 9.61. So in this way we can calculate, we can find out square of a decimal number. Thank you.